Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee here over the DeLonghi EC680, and this machine was brought in because it was leaking, and it was leaking from up here in the roof. And opening it up, we found one of the common causes is this piece right here, and it's not leaking around the seals like usual, but it actually, like, I don't know if you can see it, the seam where they actually make the machine, where they, or this part where they fuse two halves together, there's like a little crack line right here. And sometimes, I don't know, for whatever reason, it just goes bad and separates, and so water leaks out from actually right here. And so we replaced it, and now it's working once again and not leaking. It didn't come with a portafilter, so we won't be able to test a brew shot, but we will be able to just do one of these. Alright, there it is, and we'll scooch it over a little bit. No leaks to speak of. Alright, there it is, DeLonghi EC680 working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.